Hello, love. I'm Sarah Sparks, your Chief Soul Strategist. I help leaders align the soul of their business with the business of their soul so they can create wealth, clarity, and impact without burnout. If you're here to lead from wholeness and not pressure, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. January hasn't been and isn't asking you to add more skills, more healing, or another version of yourself. All right. It's asking you to stop leaving parts of yourself out. Not that spiritual side, that part of you that's really deep and meaningful and just knows stuff. Don't leave her out anymore. Most transformation doesn't come from adding. It comes from integrating who you already are. This is the difference between growth that feels exhausting and leadership that feels natural. So, why do people feel stuck? Why do you feel stuck? Most people think they're stuck because they're missing something. They're not. They're fragmented. You see, they act confident while doubting themselves inside. Have you ever done that? I have. They know the truth, but don't live it. Ooh. I knew who I really am. I know who I really am, but I knew it. I knew that truth. But was I living it? No. They are one version of themselves in private and another in public. I did this. I did every single one of these. I'm guessing you did too, because I'm not that out of the ordinary and I'm really not all that special and unique. I've learned that over the years. I try to put myself in this unique, special, out of the box category, but I'm really not. We all experience all of these one way or another. And what I've also noticed about this fragmentation that people experience is they abandon their instincts to look reasonable or liked. Yeah, done that too. I tell you what, though, not anymore because that split is exhausting. And no amount of self improvement fixes fragmentation. Now, what would? What integration actually means? It means what you feel, what you know, what you say, what you do, all match. What you feel, what you know, what you say, what you do, all match. Do I still have improvement in some areas? Yeah, not perfect. There's still areas of my life that I'm still integrating. And that's the beauty of this conversation and our work together. But here's the thing. There's no inner committee arguing for control, no self-editing, no performance. You don't become someone new. You allow yourself to be who you already are, to show up everywhere. Your wisdom, your authority, your discernment, your capacity. Show up everywhere. But why does this integrity, why should this integrity, this integration, this who you are, what you do, what you say, what you know, all matches, that's integrity. So why should we have integrity, and why should that integrity must become your identity? Integrity isn't something you practice occasionally. When integrity becomes your identity, decisions get simpler, leadership feels natural, money feels clean, expansion feels steady. Consistency without pressure is the energy of 2026. The energy of 2026, if you watched some of my other videos, it is the year of no more splits. But how? How can we do this? It's consistency without pressure. So there's no internal negotiation because nothing inside of you is competing. So it's that stability inside of you. And that's what that stability and that consistency looks like. No negotiation, because there's nothing inside of you competing, no competing thoughts, no competing feelings. Decisions get simpler, leadership gets natural, money feels clean, expansion feels steady. And here's January's real invitation. It isn't about motivation. It's about unity, oneness. It's the month that we all stop self-editing and start self-integrating. Not louder, not harder, not faster, just truer. Now, who is this level for? If you're ready to lead and scale from internal unity, where soul and business move together, this is the work that I do privately with you. This is not about fixing you. It's about aligning what's already there. Growth isn't about becoming someone new. It's about allowing who you already are to be seen everywhere. January is complete when integrity becomes identity. If this resonated, stay with me. You'll find more teachings, reflections, and ways to work together in the description below. And until next time, lead whole.